Hi, good day. My name is Daniel Flores. I am the Business Development Manager for Data Acquisition and Industrial Computers. This time we're gonna see an unboxing for an industrial monitor. This series is called TM-PCA. We have different sizes from 15 inches until 24 inches, and this time we're gonna see the unboxing of a 21.5 inches this industrial monitor. So what's inside? And what we have here, so we have 21.5 inches in diagonal, right? And we have a flat display. We also have IP65 protection against dust and water. So to be to comply fully with IP65, it will have to be mounted on a panel, and in the back we have the O-ring to protect the ingress of water and dust. We also have the option to mount it on BESA. We have here 75 and 100 for BESA mounting, and what we also have over here on the back, it's the I/O for the industrial monitor. So we have for video, we have 4 different signals that we can input on the industrial monitor. That would be VGA, DVI, HDMI, and also display port. And for the power input of the industrial monitor, we have a standard DC 12 volts. So that would come with 12 volts DC for input, and if you have a special requirement for we can order it with 9 to 36 volts DC for the power input. And this industrial monitor can have a touch screen. It can be resistive touch screen, or it can be capacitive touch screen. This time this one is for capacitive touch screen, and the interface for the computer with the display for touch screen, it's USB. So if you wanna have the interface by a COM serial port, that would be only available in the resistive touch screen. So this is the industrial monitor, 21.5 inches. Okay, and we also have inside the box another little box. We have the brackets for the panel mounting. We also have the USB cable for the touchscreen interface. We have the AC cable. We also have the power supply, as I mentioned. This is for 12 volts DC, so the power supply will output 12 volts DC. And we also have a VGA standard cable. And as an additional, we have some screw terminals for the power supply, so if you lose one of these, you can have another. So that would be the unboxing for an industrial monitor from Taicenn.